Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into Black River, and as you can see, this is after the devastation caused by the passage of Hurricane Melissa. So a discussion has started about whether they should rebuild Black River at its current location or if, I guess basically, should Black River be rebuilt? Because unfortunately, this can happen again because hurricanes come every year. So, guys, let us know what you think. Also, of the devastation, and if they were to rebuild Black River, what could they do to prevent this kind of devastation from happening again? Now, Black River is a coastal town. It's built on the coast. And just as an example, the Black River Hospital, is built on the coast. And the hospital was damaged because of the hurricane. So we're going to give you an update as to what's happening. Should Black River be rebuilt? Hurricane Melissa left a deep mark on southern Jamaica, and nowhere was that impact felt more sharply than in Black River, the historic capital of St. Elizabeth. Flooded street, Flooded streets, damaged homes, disrupted businesses, and displaced residents turned a once bustling town into a symbol of vulnerability. In the aftermath of the hurricane, a national debate has emerged. Should Black River be rebuilt, or should Jamaica rethink its future in this low-lying town? Black River's location has always been both its strength and its weakness. Built near the mouth of the river and close to the sea, the town grew as a center of trade, fishing, and administration. However, that same geography makes it highly susceptible to flooding. Hurricane Melissa did not create new problems, it exposed old ones. For drainage, aging infrastructure, and years of limited investment meant that when the storm arrived, Black River was unprepared for the scale of rainfall and storm surge it delivered. Rebuilding Black River is often phrased as an act of resilience and national pride. Supporters argue that abandoning or downsizing the town would undermine the economic and social life of St. Elizabeth. Black River remains an important hub for government, services, commerce, and tourism. Rebuilding could restore jobs, encourage investment, and allow residents to reclaim their homes and livelihoods. With modern engineering, stronger building codes, and improved flood management systems, proponents believe Black River can be made safer than before. Yet rebuilding must go beyond simply repairing what was damaged. Hurricane Melissa highlighted the reality of climate change, where storms are becoming more intense and unpredictable. If Black River is rebuilt without addressing its environmental risks, future hurricanes could bring the same devastation again. Any serious rebuilding effort must therefore include elevated roads and buildings, modern drainage networks and restored wetlands, and clear land use planning that limits construction in the most flood-prone areas. There are also voices urging caution. Some question whether it is wise to continue concentrating resources in a town that will always be vulnerable to severe flooding. They argue that relocating key services or encouraging development on higher ground could be a safer and more sustainable long-term solution. These concerns cannot be dismissed, especially in a country with limited resources and many competing development needs. Ultimately, the question is not simply whether Black River should be built, but how it should be rebuilt. Hurricane Melissa offers Jamaica an opportunity to rethink disaster recovery and development planning. Rebuilding Black River can succeed if it is guided by science, community consultation, and a commitment to climate resilience. In conclusion, Black River should be rebuilt, but not as it was before. The town must be transformed into a model of resilient coastal development capable of withstanding future storms while protecting its people and economy. Hurricane Melissa was a warning. Whether Black River's rebuilding becomes a repetition of past mistakes or a step toward a stronger future depends on the choices made now. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good